We engage in a hackathon of 3 days, 150 students from our EDHEC program for strategy, organization and consulting. We had 50 partners on site and we had 10 facilitators between EDHEC staff and our colleagues from ARUP, the professional service company working in the building industry.
Very excited, motivated, energetic students with lots of ideas, opinions, a lot of interesting discussions.
I think we have, as a leading player in our industry, together with many of the other partners here, we have a responsibility to demonstrate leadership in the industry.
The biggest challenges for the building industries is to have a holistic approach. And that is the big strength of what we did today, actually putting all those complementary people from the construction industries together. It gives a bit of a taste and a bit of a possibility to have a quite holistic approach, and it was in there in many of the challenges, and that's the biggest added value we can have.
Yeah, ADEO is one of the big players in the industry, so we do have responsibility to cooperate, and I think there is a big deal of innovation in the industry. That is the way it is organized today, so we need to invent new type of cooperation and offer for the end customer.
I think one of my biggest learnings from this hackathon, working as a team, was to understand the power of collaboration.
Well, first I'd like to thank EDHEC for organizing that event, that hackathon. We were able to identify and start tackling some key issues for the industry.